Did you know that rich people don't just work hard? They think differently? There are secret psychology tricks they use to attract money like a magnet, and 99% of people have no clue about them. Stay till the end, because trick number 5 will completely change how you see money forever. At trick number 1, the law of assumption. Rich people don't wish for money, they act like they already have it. Their brain automatically starts finding ways to match that reality. Science calls it the law of assumption. Believe it, act on it, and watch the universe align with your mindset. Trick number 2, high-value circle rule. Ever heard the line, "You're the average of the 5 people you hang out with"? Rich people surround themselves with those who are smarter and richer than them. Your circle controls your mindset and your bank balance. Trick number 3, the scarcity mind. Want more money? Stop chasing it. Rich people know that the more you chase something, the more your brain thinks you don't have it. Instead, act like money is easy to get and watch how fast it starts flowing in. Trick number 4, money gratitude loop. Here's the weirdest trick. They thank money even before they have it. Every time they spend money, they silently say, "Thank you for coming back multiplied." This small gratitude trick shifts your mind from fear to abundance. Trick number 5, the power of no. Rich people say no more than they say yes. They protect their time, energy, and money from distractions. Every time you say no to something useless, you're saying yes to your future wealth. Now that you know these 5 secret tricks, will you use them or ignore them like 99% of people? Comment "Money Magnet" if you're ready to attract wealth starting today. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more mind hacks that only the rich know.